In this crochet instruction I will show you how to crochet cute 6-petal flower. For demonstration I have made exact flower of other color of yarn. This flower has 2 rounds only. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's begin the flower. For this, make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready, and let's begin the first round. For this, 12 single crochet. Make a chain to bring up the yarn and 12 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, till you will get 12 single crochet. I'm about to complete this round, and to complete this round, work a slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. First round is ready, and begin the second round of petals. For this, chain to bring up the yarn and single crochet into the same chain stitch that we had already worked into. Then chain, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, twice, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet, and make double crochet. The base for the petal is ready, and we continue the work. We continue working, chain of 2. Before we continue, I stop here and show you the direction in crocheting. I will begin from this side, then we continue with the bottom part, then I will crochet in this direction. Turn the work like this. I will work with first ring, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, make 5 strings. First is made, we need to crochet 4 more. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over the hook, turn the work, insert the hook into the second ring. I will work with 6 strings. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hold all loops with my finger. Then yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, continue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 loops on the hook. I turn the work. I will work with this side. Make 5 strings into this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops at once. Let's look what we have. Here what we have. The first petal is almost ready and we still need to continue. For this, chain of 3, insert the hook into 3 loops, take the working yarn, pull it through. The picot is ready. Insert the hook into the stitch by working a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the first string by working a single crochet. Then chain of 2, insert the hook into the stitch that we started petal from, and make single crochet into this stitch. Then single crochet into the next stitch. The first petal is ready. And now I show you how to make the second petal. I will begin the second and you should continue by yourself. Make a single crochet into the next stitch, chain, make double crochet into the same stitch, chain of 2 and double crochet into the 2 loops of the double crochet. Then you should continue by yourself. You should crochet 5 more petals in the same way as I did in this video. In total it should be 6 such petals. Next step, I show you how to complete such flower. I have done all 6 petals, and now I show you how to complete the flower. After we have made the last single crochet, we skip the chain stitch of this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet by working a slip stitch. The round 2 is ready. I have already cut off the yarn and the flower is ready. Let's take a look at the back side. And it is front. The center of the flower can be decorated with bead. For example, I have made exact flower of other color of yarn. Thanks for watching.